All right, now we're on step 4, funding your trust. So you can either get here, this is when you log in, you're going to see this. You can click on funding your trust, or if you're in these pages, click funding kit. So when you scroll down through here, there's a little bit of reading to do. And there's 2 sections. This is real estate for any property you own, homes, rental properties, etc., and all other assets like bank accounts, life insurance, etc. So we're going to click on real estate. Okay. So in here, again, there's some reading. There's deed FAQs of the different types of deeds. You can read through that. Just leave this alone. This is deed works. I start this, I order it. Remember, you have to send your deed to me. I start the order. I pay the $75 to get that done. Once it's done, it comes to you. All you have to do is do the ledger here. You can see there's homes in here, but it's pretty simple. Put in the description type, like, primary residence. When did you buy it? The lender's name, Chase Bank, the original price. Who owns it? Is it you? Is it you and your spouse, both of you? Put the property address, the mortgage balance, and any notes. Just hit save, and then you'll see this. So now that is the real estate part. So now you got to go back here and back into the funding kit, and then you'll see all other assets. Now, remember, folks, obviously there's some reading here and there's some guidelines. You want to read through this, okay? Make sure you read that and then click next. Going to start with cash accounts, checking, savings, money markets, CDs, all this stuff. You're just going to list it. And here it is here. These are examples. Name, description, checking account, your account number. You're going to put in the account value. Don't worry about that because obviously with bank accounts, the values go up, they go down. Who's it owned by? And then the institution name, Bank of America, Chase. I never put the mailing address. I just put the phone number and if there's a contact agent to reach out to, and then put notes in here. Save. Don't forget to hit save and add asset. And then your assets will be in here just like this. Now you're going to go down the line. Next is vehicles. You're going to put your vehicles in here. Same thing. It's super easy. Make, model, VIN, etc. Put in as much information. Remember to hit save and add asset. Now you're going to go, okay, life insurance. You're going to go through that. You're going to go through life and casualty or property and casualty. Then you're going to go through all these as everything that pertains to you, pensions, whatever it is. This information, remember, is not in your trust, okay? It is not in your hardcover of your trust. And the reason why is this information is private information for you and your successor trustees, so they know where all your assets are. I highly advise you do not skip this section, but it can be done after the notary. And remember, you'll need to complete forms for every entity you want in your trust, like your bank account, money market, etc. So what does that mean? Let's go right to here, okay? For example, if this is your account with Wells Fargo, you would need to go to Wells Fargo Bank with copy of your trust. They'll have a form to fill out. You fill out the form, they'll review the trust documents, and that puts your bank account in the trust. Any account, whether it's a bank account, money market, if it's a brokerage account, you have to do this for every single account. Just because you put them in here doesn't magically mean it's in your trust. So I just wanted to explain that. All right, so we'll move on now to step 5, which gets a little more complicated.